Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. In a digital landscape where visibility is paramount, understanding how to optimize websites for search engines is essential for any online business or website owner. So, if you're looking to boost your website's rankings, attract more organic traffic, and increase your online presence, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of improving a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. When users search for specific keywords or phrases on search engines like Google, they are presented with a list of relevant websites. The higher a website ranks in these search results, the more likely it is to receive organic traffic from users. The goal of SEO is to optimize various elements of a website to align with search engine algorithms and improve its visibility. This involves both on-page and off-page optimization techniques. On-page optimization focuses on optimizing the content and structure of a website, including keyword research, meta tags, headings, and internal linking. Off-page optimization, on the other hand, involves building high-quality backlinks from other websites, social media promotion, and other external factors that impact a website's credibility and authority. Keyword research is a critical component of SEO. It involves identifying the keywords and phrases that are relevant to your website's content and target audience. By understanding the search intent behind these keywords, you can create valuable and relevant content that addresses the needs of your audience. Keyword research tools and analytics data can help you uncover valuable insights into user search behavior and competition levels, enabling you to optimize your website effectively. Content creation and optimization are key elements of SEO. Creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that aligns with user intent and incorporates relevant keywords can significantly improve your website's visibility. From well-written blog posts to product descriptions, each piece of content should be optimized with relevant keywords, headings, and meta tags to make it easily discoverable by search engines. Technical SEO is another crucial aspect of optimizing a website. This involves optimizing the website's technical infrastructure, such as website speed, mobile friendliness, site architecture, and URL structure. Search engines prioritize websites that provide a seamless user experience, so ensuring that your website is fast, responsive, and accessible across various devices is vital for SEO success. Backlinks play a significant role in SEO. When other reputable websites link to your website, it signals to search engines that your website is trustworthy and authoritative. Building a strong backlink profile through guest posting, outreach campaigns, and providing valuable content can improve your website's search engine rankings and drive organic traffic. Search engine algorithms are constantly evolving, which means that SEO strategies must adapt to these changes. Staying up to date with the latest SEO trends, algorithm updates, and best practices is essential to maintain and improve your website's rankings. Following industry-leading SEO blogs, participating in online forums, and engaging with SEO communities can help you stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, SEO is a powerful tool for improving your website's visibility, attracting organic traffic, and boosting your online presence. By optimizing your website's content, structure, and technical aspects. You can increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous optimization, monitoring, and adaptation to stay competitive in the digital landscape. Thank you for joining us today on Flux. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the intersection of technology and marketing. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, good luck and peace.